Tutorial on how to start a campaign. First of all, you have to have money in your balance. If not, check the other tutorial on how to deposit money on our site. You go to My Campaign, New Campaign tab, a new page will appear. You can select a country or put it international. There's a list. Let's say international. Let's take an easy category like visit a site and a subcategory visit. You see here 1 minute is the minimum. You can put more if you feel it will take more than 1 minute to do the job. 1 worker per job. So if you want the same worker to do it more than once, you can put 2. Available position is the minimum is 5. You cannot lower it, but you can add more. Let's say I want 10 person to do it. The money is the same. It's 2. You cannot lower it, but you can put more. Let's say 4. Total cost will be 118. You go to title, description. You can add visit my. You can put it like that so people won't copy and paste it. They will have to write it in Google or Yahoo. You can add also paragraph so it'll be more readable for the workers after. Like here I added 2 things: to visit the site, then a print screen of the page you landed. And the proof, I can ask the final URL. Here again I will put a paragraph. I entered here, I asked the URL of the website and the print screen once you're there. You can have additional add-on like featured. The campaign will be on top of all the others randomly with all the people that select featured. I highlight the color. You can for 30 cents. You can select the color. Then you do submit. See here it's on pending review. We will put it online within a couple hours. We have to check it first if it's okay. Don't forget, if you take a long time to put description in proof box, it would be better to prepare it in a notepad before and copy and paste, because if you idle too long on that page, it might not work.